Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. So let's see the one of the CAD problem. A rectangular lamina of 35 mm into 25 mm rests on HP on one of a shorter edge. The lamina is rotated about the edge on which it is rests till it appears as a square in the top view. The edge on which lamina rests being parallel to both HP and VP. Draw the projection and find its inclinations to HP and VP. Here one thing we have to notice that they have given the length and the breadth L into B. That's length is equal to 35 and breadth is equal to 25 resting on HP. So we have to draw this rectangle on HP and they have not given a specific angle. Let's see in Let's see how to solve this problem. I'll explain all those things while solving the problem. So to solve these CAD problems, you must download a solid 2D solid edge. This is the very good applications to solve the problems. So initially let's fit the sheet. So check whether it is in A4 or press the left click left click on the sheet 1 and sheet setup. It's in A2, so we have to make it as A4. So size, it's A4 wide 297 mm into 210 mm. So save as default. And here background, I don't want any background, so remove the tick buttons and press OK. So once again you fit, here it's a fit options. So fit, so select the normal or construction line. First draw a normal straight line of any length and select the text button. Here it is. So above one is VP, vertical point or vertical plane, and the below one is HP. So done. So I want this in Arial. Select this button. Next, it's given that length is equal to 35 and breadth is equal to 25. So just click on the point somewhere here. This is equal to 35. No need to, here it's we can use some tricks over here. So you no need to touch a mouse or a keyboard. You no need to struggle to set proper rectangle. So here you can see a blue selected option. So click there, 35, enter. Here it will shift to the angle options. Here you have to enter the angle. So now the angle must be 0. Enter. The line has been drawn. So we have to draw these things in a visible, because it's a diagram, right? So we have to draw in a visible line. So 35, enter. The angle is 0 degree, enter. Next 25, length is 25, enter. Angle is 90 degree, enter. So the next length is 35, enter. This is 180 degree, angle, enter. So now its length is 25 and the angle is, the line is towards downwards, so it must be minus 90, enter. So you will get the proper rectangle. Otherwise you can do like this also. Just simply draw a line. Draw a line. Simply draw one rectangle, rough sketch of rectangle. So set this line to 35. Just check there that in the tools option maintain relationship is on or not. If it is a tick mark, then the maintain relationship is working over here. So next it is 35 degree here. So you can use a equal option over here. Click on the equal option. Click the line which you want to be equal to it, to which line. In the sense we want make this line should be equal to this, right? So click this line must be equal to this line. So this is 35 now. So now click on this line. So this is now 1780, but we want a 25. So it's 25 right now. Just check. It's 25. So do the same thing there also. Click on the equal button, and this line must be equal to this line. This is 20. So I prefer the first one is a easier, and it's very faster compared to the second method. So this is another method to solve. Let me remove all the lines. Now click on the line option and select the normal line, or here it will be construction line. So for me the option is showing as normal line. From this end point, the symbol indicate that it is an end point. Click on that line, and the now appearing symbol will indicate it's a perpendicular. So as you go above the straight line, you will get one symbol. As you move further, the symbol will disappear. So when that symbol comes, you have to click on the line such that you will get a proper length of the construction line. So next, once again we need to draw this at this end also. Start doing this endpoint. I got this line and just click over here. So now according to the question, it's here it's a mistake they has done. It must be 25. So please do correct this mistake. So here it will be when the viewer is in a VP, it will be in a straight line. The object will look like a straight in line. So we have to draw that line here. So let's draw that visible line with a visible line from this point to this end of this line. So name the things here. It's A, B, C, and D. Here it is A dash, A dash, and D dash. It's a hidden line, so we are writing this in the bracket. So next one is B dash and C dash. Now click on the select button, press the control button in the keyboard. You can select the three things together by doing this. So next, go to a move option, copy the lines what you're going to move here. So next, click on this end of line 2 and simply just do drag over here and click here. Just now left click in your mouse. Now go to the same option. There you can see some more options over here. Click on the rotate and click from which point you want to rotate, from the starting point of the line to the end point of the line. Okay, so generally if the angle is not given in the rectangle, we can find the proper rectangle we can find, we can just viewer can see a square of the rectangular portions only when the angle is equal to 55 degree. So set the angle to 55 degree. So here we can see the rotation angle. So just click here and enter the angle as 55 degree. This is what you have to do. So remove the copy option over here. We no need of those lines. So here it's now 55 degree. Click on here. So the line which was present here now shifted to a 55 degree. So now the measure the angle between, click on this option, distance between, click here the second option, angle between, find the angle between these two lines. We have already given us 55 degree, but it's a duty to name it also. 55. Okay, fine. Now select the normal line option. Draw a normal line from here, from this end also. Now from this point, from this end also. It's very important to note from where you are starting, because a small mistake will also lead to the improper result. Now we got one square, something similar to square. So now to do a further process, let's zoom over here. So here it's one option. Next to fit option there is a zoom. Next to that option there is a zoom area. Click on that option with the help of your mouse just to drag the portion where you want to zoom out. So here this is the portion which I want have to be worked out in the next session. So let's see. First you have to do is you have to split these lines. These lines are fully, you can see that red line is full right now. I mean in a straight line we can't draw the square with the help of visible line. So first thing we have to do is we have to cut the line. So here in the filter trim option, here in the trim option we have next to that the small button is to click over there, and in the end there is a split. So click on the split method or option and click on the line which you want to split first. Just give a single click over there, then move the cursor where you want, at which position you want to split. So I want to split here, so make sure your cursor is proper. Okay, wait. Yeah, I has done the proper split. So next, click on another line that you want to split. Done. This line I want to split here, and this line I want to split here. This line I want to split. Okay, this line we want. Here. This line I need to split here. So everything is done. Now you can observe that. Okay, here it's one remaining. Split this one. You can observe that that red line has been cut. So here, and here. Now just select these lines or just draw a visible line upon the same lines. So select the visible option. From this end to this. Just once simply you check whether the sides are equal. So here this is equal to 25 mm, is also equal to 25 mm. In the length option we can see that we can check the length 20.08 mm, 20.08. It's absolutely perfect right now. So now we have to do, so just the only thing we have, just click on the fit option. So want only this much portions to work out. Okay, now let's name. Select the text option. So name the things. Here it's A. I think we have to. Okay, here it's A again. It's D here. D here. So it's D. It's C and B. Now select these things now. Okay, just move these things. So to move, select a move option, copy the things, just check whether it is copied or not. Select on some line or the point and click here. Just left click the things and once again you click here. Draw a normal line. Normal line. From these point of line, just click here and extend. Done. This point to this. Done. From these end point to here, only this many things we need to concentrate. If this is the right, okay, that's it. So now the same thing, same procedure you have to follow. That you have to split the lines. Select on split option. Here it's already we have this line is yet to split. So from these point, with the help of the previous line, side by line, you can split. So select this line and split. Check there whether it's properly split or not. Okay, it's this one. This line. Done. Okay, it's done. So now select the lines and make it visible. It's very easy. Okay, done. Now name the lines. Here I have done the wrong naming over here. I just forgot to say that. Here this portion will rotate. This from here to here it will rotate. So here the will be A D B and C. Let's check whether it's proper. Okay, right. So here we can do the naming from this point A to A, B to B, B says C and D. Let's do some corrections. So drag this one here, and this one to here. Okay, done. So trim all the extra lines. Trim this line, this, and this, and just to fit. So now we are done with the rectangle. We have named the angle. Trim these lines also. These are not required. Okay, trim here. These are also. So the one thing we have to write is VP and HP. We have to mention all the sides, name the sides, and the angle which is taken, or the angle, the distance between the two lines we have to mention. That's it. So this is the end result of the this problem. Thank you.